Good morning, guys. Welcome to a very unexpected e-learning day. I wanted to just take a little bit of time to walk through some expectations for our task today. So as we scroll down today, you're going to see it's listed under retirement. Now, here is the situation that we have. So you are hired as a math teacher and are offered an annual salary of $60,000. You plan to contribute 2% of your paycheck each month into a retirement account that has an APR of 7% compounded each month. Okay, so a couple things that we're going to try to do. And before I forget, down here is the formulas that you're going to need. I know it looks a little bit different than what we talked about, but remember we said it's going to be S represents the sum. A1 is kind of that initial term. R is like that growth factor. Now, yesterday it was like 1.005. So what is our percentage? N would be the number of time. So A, we won't need what this formula for. So it's what's your monthly paycheck before taxes. So really, if you think about, my hint would be there's 12 months in a year, and you can assume that you're going to get two paychecks each month. Okay, that'd be kind of a rough estimate on that. Now for B, once you figure out your answer for A, that's going to be your initial amount. Okay, then you want to figure out how much money will you have saved if you worked at this for 40 years. Okay, now N will not be 40. It's going to be 40 times 12 because it's going to be 12 months a year for 40 years. Now C is going to be the toughest one. How much would you need to contribute each month in order to have 500,000 when you retire? On that one, we know what SN is. We know that's going to be 500,000. You're going to try to solve that for A1. Okay, so you're trying to solve for the initial term. So again, A is the key on this. You need to figure out what is going to be your monthly paycheck, and then kind of what that contribution is going to look like from there, because it's, again, 2% of what that paycheck is going to be. So work through it. Do the best you can with it. We will talk about this tomorrow, and then we got one more task that we'll look at that goes with this, and then kind of work from there. So I hope you guys have a great day. As always, on an e-learning day, if you need any help at all, please let me know.